Why was I about to do the same thing? Look at him.
I wish you could get a little.
Okay. You like that stank? He fixing his lips. Yeah. You like that, Nigel?
Like, give me some.
You like, let me get that.
That is nice.
Yes, it's one in Chicago. I always had one to go to.
Come on, let's take a sip while it's cooking it up.
Oh, my teeth acting crazy.
Mango. That's nice. Let me put you back.
Not the whole video.
Oh, we got it.
Would you go? I'm too tall for this. I can't see you.
That's my wife.
Well, this is what I was talking about. I was gonna fill it up. Oh, you still want it? Okay. All right. Well. Okay, our son, we got married to. I gotta pause it. You gotta read this.
This is a mind-blowing thing. Hey.
I haven't done this in so long. I felt like I wasn't being a wife no more. I'm trying not to cry. But you gotta read this first so you'll know. Come back. Babe, you messing up. You gotta read this first. I feel like I wouldn't be a wife no more. I feel like I just wasn't being romantic. And this is what I do. All the times I did it for the wrong people, I should have been doing it for the right one. So I want her to read this out loud.
You got wholesome.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you the other bad news after. Come on. Yeah, we some crybabies, y'all.
Every year we had a different story.
Yeah. You know my writing.
A different us and a different imagine.
It's supposed to be image.
Yeah, I always get that word wrong. I need to know who that.
He right here.
But he is Okay.
You having fun with the rose petals?
Every year I'm reading it over. Every year we had a different story, a different us, and a different image. But each year we grown more and more. Our love got stronger, and sometimes it's got weak, but we keep going. Each picture you see represents our love. For every picture you see, hold a memory. I pray we don't forget. We smile, we cry, we laugh, but most of all, we love. Remember, each year had a different story. At times, we wanted to give up, but we stood together. No matter what, remember, each picture represents our different kind of love. Sometimes may cause pain, but most of all, we smile and go through the. They remember. Each picture speaks memories. I pray we never forget it. Been an amazing 8 years with you. So when you look at our pictures, remember they all hold memories. I pray we don't forget. I love you. Wait till it's beautiful. The whole day. First time. Thank you.
So this is our pictures.
Oh man.
In 8 years. Ooh. These ain't the beginning of them.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a sexy thing going on. You know I like, so either y'all can see it or y'all can't. Our little baby didn't knock one of the pictures down. So it's another one of our pictures. I'm gonna let you turn it and go here. Oh, you better hurry up. But you won't be able to see.
He's taking them out of order.
Listen.
My peanut bread. Okay. Ooh, this should be closer to me. Hey, see, son.
Just going with the balloon. Going with the balloon. Which one is that? I think this is our first picture, ain't it? Yep. Y'all, it's called growth. Let me just get this picture. It's called growth. Do you hear me? It's called growth. Growth. This is our very first picture. Very first picture. Come on, you got more? You got more pictures? No! That's why this ain't for you. We need babysitter.
You getting in there with me. You getting in there. Wow.
Excuse our baby diapers in the back, you know.
Back up.
Got 2 cards.
Sweetest Day card.
Well, I made that big one, so. But I still bought you 2 cards if you want to read them. There's some on the inside of them. No, I'm a writer.
Yeah.
No, I always got a lot to say.
So, please.
Just move the candle at this point. Just slide it on back.
I'll leave you up to this. You know how fragile that is.
You could have read it. I know, right?
I could read this one. Happy Sweetest Day to my wife. And often forget to.
That's
Oh,
I. Mm-hmm. I often.
I cried out. Often I forget to say what you deserve to hear, my love, for you has grown with every past year. Passing year, you are my heart. You are my life. You are my everything through the day and night. I love you, and don't ever forget what that love your wife to you. I love you too.
Well,
Don't believe it.
Listen. Reason why I said that one, money can't buy love because it can't. It won't ever buy love. And I know we both done been there and spent money and tried to get people to be a part of our life. But within 8 years, it's a different story. And it started with this one, y'all.
All right, son. All right.
Let's start with that one. So no, my broke self didn't have no money this year. Cause she know I be going out. But I think I hit.
Went out.
I think I hit it.
This one out.
It's been a minute. Now let me hold on. Let me turn on the light.
I was about to say.
No. I'm about to tell you the bad news about that. Okay, so she want this filled up. I didn't know if it was gonna be safe, but she still wanted to fill it up. And I want to show y'all the card I made. Sometimes handcraft is the best. Then y'all get a better view with the lights on.
Way more better.
with our pictures, and little baby, of course, keep tearing them off and messing with the rose petals. So we finna enjoy our. Hold on. No. Yeah, I still look rough, but I'm gonna let her hold it so I can open my gift. Oh, you messing up.
We did start yesterday, but I got a little something today. Yeah. This is a little something.
Cause we went to the sugar factory and I've never been, and it was nice and the food was good. Good. It was good, wasn't it, thing?
Maybe we can add a little something that's in that bag into this.
Y'all know a girl love her flowers.
Yeah, this is a sunflower. And I got it because it's like a fall color. And it's a little Halloweenish too. Okay, I put all of it in there.
Y'all know I'm bougie. I like to carry stuff in bags.
Read it.
You know I need it.
Read it.
Wait.
What do it say?
Oh, okay. Let me sleep. Cause the other day she woke me up, y'all. She woke me up. I was so irritated.
Stop, Nigel.
Look, so irritated. Okay, your girl gotta watch her body.
Yes.
And this is my favorite one too.
Mm-hmm.
You ruined the whole moment. It ain't about you.
Sunny son.
To my sweetie, my wife, from AJ.
Yes. We're back started.
You're my A1 since day one, okay? I like that.
You ain't gotta count the minutes.
Lord, because I really don't know how. But that's a lot of minutes. 420-7680 minutes. The 8 years we spent together. Just trying to read my code. It say the 8 years we spent together, I never spent this long with anyone. To be honest, not even with myself. You asked me. Wait, honest. You asked me. I think you need to go. You asked me.
Am. I was supposed to say, am I?
Oh, okay. Am I with you?
Why am I with you?
You asked me why am I with you? You stuck me.
You stuck
with me, grew with me, and I love our ups and downs. I will always love you to another beautiful, sweetest day with my sweetie pie. I'm a pal, right? Love AJ, your wife. I love you too, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think it's best we go.
Thank you.
Take these pictures on now.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you.